In this video, we are going to install Cloudera. For installing Cloudera, we need to have a virtual machine. We already downloaded the virtual machine previously. So now we need to download the Cloudera ISO file. We'll copy this link. After copying the link, you should go to your web browser, paste the link here, hit enter. You can see download has started. We'll wait for a minute. Now you see it has been downloaded here. So we'll go there, show in folder section. We'll see where it has been downloaded. Now it is showing as a zip file, as you can see. Right click on it, extract all file. So we need to set where we want to extract our file. So for me, I will choose like select D, create a folder as Blissmas Academy. I've created as Blissmas Academy. I've selected this folder. Now I need to extract in that particular folder. It will take some time. We have to wait for it. Now you can see it has been already extracted in that folder. Now we can go to that folder. You can see here it is mentioned Cloudera has been extracted here. Now we'll go open virtual machine. We need to go to files, import appliance, click on that. Now there's a pop-up. It is showing you appliance to import. Source will be local file system only. File you need to select where it was extracted. So I've extracted that file in volume D under Blissmos Academy. Cloudera Quick Start, you can see there. So open it. Click on next. Click on finish. So you can see right side pop has come as importing appliance. So you have to wait for a while to get it extracted. Now you can see that it is extracted. We need to double click on this Cloudera Quick Start Virtual Machine VM 5.13.0. So you can see it is open now. After this is complete, now you need to open terminal. Now go to application, system tools, go to terminal. Now you need to type a command hdfs space dfs space hyphen ls space dash enter. After this we'll restart everything. For that we need to type a command space home space cloudera space cloudera dash hyphen manager space hyphen express space dash post hit enter. So we have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes to get it restarted. So now you can see it has been successfully restarted. Now you can log into Cloudera from Quickstart. So you can go to that browser inside the virtual machine. A username is Cloudera, password is Cloudera. You need to copy this link, select it, right click, copy. Now open your Firefox. Now you can paste the link here. Now click on I agree. Username is Cloudera, password is Cloudera. You can see that the services is running. So this is how you can install Cloudera in your virtual machine. Thank you.